Phantom Wallet is about to do an airdrop, and a lot of you don't know about this. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to position for Phantom Wallet airdrop, and most likely you might get this airdrop. Let's go. For those of you that don't have Phantom Wallet, go to Google Play Store or App Store and download your Phantom Wallet. Make sure you write down your secret phrase in a book. Now on your Phantom Wallet, on this particular place, that is this your profile icon, you click on it, and when you click on it, you see this settings button here. You click on this settings button, and then you'll see create a unique user identity for this wallet. Now when you click on it, just like the way I did, you are going to see all of this stuff on the screen. So what are you trying to do? You are trying to give it a unique username, just the way on your Instagram account, Twitter account, you have a unique username. Here you are going to create a unique username. So right now on this account, I'm going to create Big Z Pops. As you can see, the username is available. You click on continue, then choose an emoji that you like, right, or a collectible that you like. So a Big Z Pops account, which is my junior brother by the way, I'm going to put a locker to get this account locked in for funds. So this is it. So the beautiful thing about this is that you can apply this name on all your accounts, and just like I'm doing on this video, and boom, you have linked all of them with this username. Now after this, all you have to do is send your username to your friends, your family, your community, and when you do this, they can be able to follow you on Phantom. After going through this process on your Phantom Wallet, you have successfully created a Phantom Wallet username. Make sure you get followers on this wallet. In my own head, I'm thinking one of the criteria for you to qualify for this airdrop is that you need as much as followers as you can get on this Phantom Wallet. So make sure you share your usernames to your friends, your family, your community, and at the end of the day, maybe, just maybe, you might be the one to cash out the most from Phantom Wallet airdrop. So guys, I advise you, just create your username and let's see what the future holds for all of us. If you found this video interesting, educative, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.